Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing, review, and setup of my new 9-inch smart screen. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out free, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So these are cool, like if maybe your car doesn't have like a smart screen or anything like that, and you want to use like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, this will do all that for you. It's nice. Look at the size of that. 9-inch display. And it's got a camera right there. Very cool. That'll be your dash cam. Power cable for it. It uses Type-C. Your backup camera. So if you want to put this like on your windshield, you can do that. And it also has for the dash. And then your user manual right there. And then some other little accessories like an auxiliary cable and like a little peel tool. So let's go ahead and go to the car, set it up, and see how it works. All right, now that it's all hooked up to my phone, as you can see, it's super simple, just through Bluetooth. So now it's all wireless. I don't actually even have to use my phone if I don't want to. So let's say I wanted to go to music, and I also have it connected to Bluetooth to my actual vehicle. So hit play. So as you can see, it'll play on the car speakers if you want to. If not, it does have built-in speakers as well. So those are the two options. So I thought that was cool. So then we'll go back to my smart screen, and then let's say we want to we'll do Audible now. So hit Audible. Oh, sorry, that's not. So then we'll go ahead and do Audible, just to kind of try it out. Got my book loaded, hit play.
Others played much of a role in whose bank account grew the most. It was a dog-eat-dog world as far as I could tell. But now, reading Maxwell's...
So like I said, all wireless. I really love the size of this display, and it looks really clean. Let me go back, and like I said, it shows your map here. So as you can see, you can also view your maps on here. So if you're doing any kind of traveling, or you do like Uber Eats, or you do just traditional Uber, like this would definitely help out, and it looks really, really clean. I am using the one that just goes on the dash. I do have a little slot here. So what it also does is, let's go back. If you hit this, you hit home, if you hit this one, that's a 4K camera right there. So obviously if I lift it up, which I will here in a little bit, you'll be able to see it as a dash cam. So very, very cool. The other cool thing is, check this out. Hey Siri, play Audible.
I'll need to access your Audible data to use the app. Here's 9-Figure Mindset by Brandon Dawson on Audible.
Jumped out at me was the idea that I could
And
choose
there it goes. So you can even use that from your iPhone or Android. So I thought that was neat. So if I go back, let's get out of here, hit home. You got Android Auto. We'll try out AirPlay here in a second. Android Cast. And this is where I hooked up my radio to the actual display. Like I said, or it has speaker, or you can have the auxiliary, or through FM if you so choose to. So very, very cool. Like I said, there's an option for every vehicle. So if you don't have the Bluetooth, you can do it through the speaker that's built in. You can do it through FM, or you can do it through auxiliary. So I'll go ahead and go back. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try AirPlay now. Switch to AirPlay, yes. So then we're going to go ahead and follow those prompts. We're going to go ahead and go to our Wi-Fi. There it is, AirPlay, AirPlay. All right, so I got it to mirror on there. And we'll show the YouTube that I have on here is displaying on there. How cool is that? That is really cool. So you can watch YouTube. We'll go ahead and load something else on here. So as you can see, you're able to even scroll like your social medias if you want it just like on a bigger screen, or if you want to show certain videos on here from either Instagram or TikTok, you're able to do so as well. You might even be able to do Netflix. So let's go to Netflix. You can cast that as well. So as you can see, very, very cool to be able to do that. All right, and then to connect the dash cam that it comes with, there is a little slot right here. It says audio, video in. All right, simple as that. Now let's go ahead and turn it on, see how it works. Okay, and I went ahead and downloaded the 1080p backup camera from the device, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it looks really clean for it to be a backup camera. And this is the 4K front dash cameras. You can see, you can just tell how good the quality is on that front camera as well. All right, guys, so there you have it. This display is really awesome. The size of the display is cool. The 4K dash cam, the 1080 backup camera, the wireless AirPlay, or the Apple CarPlay in general. Man, this thing is super awesome. Like I said, it does come with a 64 gig micro SD card, so it has plenty of space to store all your 4K dash cam and 1080 backup camera on here. So that was another cool feature, that it already comes with 64 gigs built in. And it also works with all the Android stuff as well. So if you're looking for a new smart screen for your car, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.